everyone, and welcome back to today's weather video. So we're going to be talking about Winter Storm Viola, which is actually making an impact on Wednesday and Thursday here in the United States. So we do have winter storm warnings from eastern Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, going into parts of the actual mid-Atlantic and Northeast over the next 24 to 36 hours. We are expecting 3 to 6 inches at least from those places into the deep south and the mid-Atlantic areas into Thursday and possibly Friday morning. Now, we do have winter storm warnings and watches places from actual DC into New York and Boston. Now, a lot of the actual winter storm watches and warnings are actually south into southern New England, going into parts of New York State and going into the mid-Atlantic, like DC, even down into Richmond and extreme northern North Carolina. We are expecting a lot of heavy snow and ice in these areas, especially from the southern Appalachia, going in from northern Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania. We are expecting a lot of winter precipitation. So a lot of places in and around the actual Appalachia could be experiencing at least 3 to 6 inches of snowfall. On top of that, sleet and freezing rain. So we could be seeing another ice event developing here in the actual mid-Atlantic actual coastlines. Now, north, I think, in eastern Pennsylvania, New York, and southern New England, again, south of Boston, we could be picking up a lot of heavier snowfall. So Providence, Hartford, New York, south of Albany, going east of Pittsburgh and Buffalo, New York, we could be picking up at least 5 to 8 inches of actual snowfall in these actual areas. Again, this is going to be happening on Thursday, going into Friday morning, as Winter Storm Viola does make its way again, basically making the same trek as Uri did. So it is going to be developing here along the actual Gulf Coast of Mexico. And we don't say this often, but we are saying it this time, off the coast of Texas. Okay? And then from there, we're going to be moving northeastward over Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, the Carolinas, the mid-Atlantic Northeast, and then on Friday, it's going to be making its way eastward over the Atlantic. So places, basically, I would say south of actual Jackson, Montgomery, Atlanta, the Carolinas, Raleigh, North Carolina. We're going to see mainly an actual rain event with this actual storm. No snow for you guys. North and west, that's where we're going to actually see these snow accumulations again through the actual Appalachia, and we could be seeing ice as long as that. And then DC, over all the way to New York, we could be seeing significant snow and ice. We do think the temperatures could be well below freezing, only in the upper 20s, honestly, basically from DC to New York over the next couple of days. So we are expecting a mainly snow event. If we do have wintry precipitation, we will see basically sleet, freezing rain on top of the snow we actually get in the DC, Baltimore, Philadelphia area over the next 36 to 48 hours. How that will reduce the actual snowfall amounts. However, I do expect us to see at least minimum 3 to at least 6 inches of snow. 3 to 6 inches of snow. Again, not guaranteed we'll see 6 inches of snow here in DC, but I do really think that we'll see at least 3 inches of snow before it does change over to a wintry mix tomorrow on Thursday. Winter Storm Viola will make its way over here into the east and off the East Coast, the Mid Atlantic and Southern New England coast. And then Friday morning, it will be out of here, and we will actually see a significant warm up next week over here into parts of the southeast and the middle Atlantic and the northeast. So we have Winter Storm Viola again, like Winter Storm Uri, and we have a lot of ice and snow problems that we could be experiencing over into the mid Atlantic. We'll see what happens, obviously, over the next 24 to 46 hours. However, again, like I said, just stay safe, keep your eye to the sky, and we'll see you next time. Bye.